Would Professor Nathan Matthews, Head of School of Indigenous Graduate Studies, please escort our distinguished guest, Hekenukumai, Ngaiwi, Puhipi, Hector Busby, to Te Māori Whatukura o Te Awanui.
Hei ngā mana, hei ngā reo, hei ngā pū whakaihorei o ngā tātai whakaheke o tēnā whaitua, nau mai haere mai. Nau mai haere mai tātou ki tēnei rā whakahira, koutou nā kōtuku rerengatahi o ngā whānau o ngā hapu o Ngaiwi. O ngā waka, ko ia tēnei ka mai hake kia koutou nau mai haere mai. Tūrau Hawaiki kia koutou ngā mema o te kaunihera o te whare wānanga Whenui Arangi, koutou me ngā wānanga o te motu kua whakaemi mai nei i tēnei rā whakanui, whakaharahara, whakapōtai i te hunga ka tau mai ki runa ki tēnei ahurewa, whakatike i te mātauranga, e titi ai te tīpare huia ki runga i a rātau. Huia ia hei whakareia ke i tēnei whakaaro, e Ngaiwi, e ngā waka, e ngā whare wānanga o te motu o te ao hoki, ko ia tēnei ka whakatairangihia i te kaunihera o Whenui Arangi, te ke te aro nui ake o tētahi o ngā tohunga rangatira rongonui. Hekenukumai was born at Pukepoto in Northland on the 1st of August 1932. While attending the local native school, he participated in a visit to Waitangi and was there inspired by the great Ngāpuhi Wakataua Ngā Toki Matawhaurua. He left school at the age of 15 and, like many of his contemporaries, found employment in a number of roles, including working as a baker and in the gum fields. Then in 1951 he commenced a 40-year career in bridge building. 2 decades later, Hekenukumai's first major involvement with Waka occurred in 1973, when the decision was taken to launch Ngā Toki Matawhaurua as part of the 1974 Waitangi Day commemorations. He was heavily involved in its construction, receiving important knowledge on the art of waka building from the well-regarded expert Taupuhi Eruera. It was Eruera who would later confirm that if any waka were to be built in the north, Hekenukumai would be the person to construct them. Two kaumātua who profoundly influenced Hekenukumai's desire to work with waka haurua were John Rangihau, who introduced Hekenukumai to Nainoa Thompson of the Polynesian Voyaging Society, and Sir James Henare. In December 1985, at the Pōhiri for the Hawaiian Waka Hokolea, Sir James expressed the hope that one day a waka would be built in Taitokerau that would journey back to the ancient homelands of Tiwi Māori in the Pacific. That waka was to be the famous Te Aurere. It is acknowledged that Te Aurere was the first waka haurua to be built in the modern era. The maiden voyage of Te Aurere in 1992 was a return trip from Aotearoa to the Cook Islands. Since then, the waka has visited Tahiti, the Marquesian Islands, Hawaii, the Cook Islands, Norfolk Island, and the Isle of Pines in New Caledonia. The Aurere has also completed 4 circumnavigations of Te Ika Maui, notably during 2012 and 2013. Te Aurere, Ngā Hiraka Mai Tawhiti, named after Hekenukumai's late wife, made the epic return voyage between Aotearoa and Rapa Nui, covering over 10,000 nautical miles. Te Aurere and Hekenukumai have therefore played a central role in the revival of traditional navigation in Aotearoa. These ancient wayfinding methods used the sun, moon, stars, wave patterns, winds, clouds, and birds as its navigational tools. They are based on a complex system of intuitive assessment and interpretations, and acknowledge and accordingly require high levels of skill, expertise, and insight. The waka was also able to evidence and validate the migration path of the Polynesian settlers, and as a part of various return voyages between Aotearoa and the Pacific Islands. Hekenukumai has now built over 30 vessels and continues to make a significant contribution to waka construction, voyaging, and navigation here and throughout the Pacific. Hekenukumai received the New Zealand Commemoration Medal in 1990 and the 1994 Queen's Birthday Honours. He was made a member of the Order of the British Empire for services to Māori. Then in the 2014 New Year's Honours, Hekenukumai was named an Officer of the New Zealand Order of Merit. An honorary doctorate is always awarded in exceptional circumstances. It acknowledges outstanding academic achievement and endeavour over a lifetime, and is which recognised both nationally and abroad. Hekenukumai has throughout his lifetime created an outstanding corpus of knowledge, information and insight which has shaped local thinking, discourse, and has guided the ideas and theories of international scholars and practitioners. Hekenukumai Puhipi has tribal affiliations to Te Rarawa, Ngāti Kuri and Ngāti Kahu. He is affectionately known as Matua Hek in the north and is a master Māori navigator and waka builder. He is well recognised as a leading figure in the revival of traditional Polynesian navigation and ocean voyaging techniques. In recognition of his significant contribution to the reclamation and development and advancement of Māori waka building, voyaging and traditional navigation, Te Whare Wānanga Wawanui awards to Hekenukumai Puhipi an honorary doctorate of philosophy honoris causa in Māori development. Ladies and gentlemen, now our distinguished guest has been officially fitted out in his regalia. It is certainly my privilege and honour to announce Dr. Hekenuku Busby. kia ora tātou. Can I now please invite Dr. Busby to join us in the mahau of the whare.
Ka tira e te whanau, homai anō te piki paki paki. I now invite the Head of School of Indigenous Graduate Studies, Associate Professor Nathan Matthews, to the podium.
awesome if it was the main crew. You know, if there's a good crew, it'll just be.
Yeah, like we got a good crew on here. With a lot of fun.
Is there a bit of rivalry between the IPBs? Yeah, the other.
There it goes. Someone forgot their cell phone.